promise me you won't show this to Uncle Roger or any Italian nonna. Why am I doing this? Because making people mad can taste really good. If you chain yourself to tradition, you're going to miss out on some incredible food. Sure, some ideas flop, but more often than not, they're baller. Like this one, Italian fried rice, the bane of over 1 billion people worldwide. It's a lot of hate coming my way. Good thing this tastes good enough not to care. Uncle Roger, I love you. I'm sorry, but at least I'm not Jamie Oliver.